Welcome back to YB Works. Me and Nick here are gonna take off to the junkyard today. We got a bunch of project vehicles and there's a bunch of stuff that we could possibly use from the junkyard depending on what we could find. So we decided we should take you guys along. We may find something interesting, who knows. Let's slide. Hey, couple newer model Camaros. See if anything in these worth a damn. They look straight stripped. This one still got a rear end and rear suspension. Another Camaro, guys. Oh, shame to see these cars in this condition. But I mean, it's wrecked, so it is what it is.
And still had a good door on it, though.
Yes, apparently.
Somebody hit something hard with this bitch.
Yeah. Check this thing out, guys. I don't know about the red and yellow, but old school, got the hood scoop on it, everything. Yeah.
This was at least $5,000 in this condition. Before it set out here, I guess.
That
Bro, look at this
Cutlass.
Look at this dope shit right here. I don't think this is factory, but it's speaker in the seat.
Okay. I don't know that the trim piece that's screwed to it looks like a factory piece, but the seat don't look like it was made around it, so I kind of myself. Something maybe to look into. Anybody in the comments knows, let us know. Was that a factory option or is that a custom made as we like to do it? Old school Chevys.
Hey, this works.
Already all the way off the frame. Good.
I need this drive shaft.
The drive shaft look monstrous. What the heck?
Oh, boy. That's a monster ass rear end, too. See, I want a one-piece drive shaft. I just don't know if that one would fit mine.
I feel you.
Or if it'd be balanced. Ranger.
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger. I ain't no big truck. I know that.
Didn't some of these have a V8 in?
What, the Ranger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were they rear wheel or front wheel? This thing got a set of things on it, boy. Yeah, this thing got a whole set of 4 things on it.
I don't know if these are rear or not.
Yeah. It sure is. There is a latch though. Okay. Rear wheel though.
Yeah.
That's a big ass 6. Or them valve covers are huge at least anyway. This thing look like it hit the damn derby. Yeah, it look like it went through a crash derby. Don't got a roll cage or anything though, so I don't know. That bus. Ooh. Oh, is that the? Oh, that's beat up, but that's either. What is that, Nick? I don't think that's the RX, is it? I don't know. That's the Porsche, ain't it?
Huh?
You said it's a what? Not this.
Oh, that looks like a 7.
Yeah, it's either the RX-7 or a Porsche. It looks like.
Whatever it is, it's turbo.
Oh, it does have a.
That's in a Porsche.
Oh, it did. It was a turbo, because there ain't no motor in there. Ain't no motor in there. I want to say, because of that way that back end is shaped, I want to say that's the same as your RX-7. See how it's.
Well, you remember they made that?
But the Porsche, yeah, pretty much look the same. Trying not to drown in this lake right here, man. I got boots, but geez, that thing deep. My boots ain't gonna help me. Nick's trying to figure out, you guys. Yeah, what the heck is that? I don't see. Yeah, I think it's the Porsche because look at the way the doors point.
The 7, I don't think had these vents right.
Yeah, and look at the window shape.
Conquest. What the fuck is a Conquest?
A Conquest?
That's what it says on the steering.
Oh, maybe the Plymouth. Does it have a Plymouth logo? Maybe.
It just says Conquest. There's no logo anywhere. Mitsubishi Motors.
Mitsubishi. Well, they had me tricked for real.
For real?
Unless that's just a different part. Somebody in the comments. I know the wind probably killing y'all's sound right now, but what is this? What kind of Mitsubishi is this? If it's a Mitsubishi. It's wrecked a little bit, so it makes it a little bit hard to see what it is. Hey, I'm gonna see if I can pass the camera to Nick back there so you guys can see a shot of the back end of this thing. Yeah. Y'all just saw that move. Y'all, I don't know if you see that move. Nick just pulled off just
So, Mitsubishi or no? What kind of Mitsubishi actually? Because it says Mitsubishi on it.
And then there's the thing that says Conquest. I want to look that up and see, but
I don't think I've ever seen one of
I might
these.
check that out. I might check that up in the on the internet and put that and like pop a picture up right here for you guys to see what like a stock would look like or something. Yeah, it kind of trips me out because, bro, it's kind of got these wide fenders on it. Bro, that'd be a dope.
I know. Now I gotta figure out how I'm getting back out. About to just walk across this car.
What kind of Toyota is it?
Camry. Oh, that windshield's cracked.
At least so that way, telling people if he busts his ass, we can at least see it. And then yeah, this crazy looking bus. Look, it got the daggone windows on. Look at the bubble.
The interior on that bitch.
Look at the bubble windows. Yeah, the interior looks sick in there. Look at y'all. I don't know if y'all can see good enough. But yeah, that's crazy. Can you get in the back? Oh, you can get a better view though.
Trying to get y'all a better view inside this
Crazy bus. What kind? You know what kind of bus this is, Nick?
I honestly don't know. I know it's a Ford is all I can really tell you.
Okay.
That's about as far as I can get the camera for y'all too though. But
Yeah, that might be another one of these things we try to look up for you. Yeah. Just like I say, that's why we come out here. We see some stuff we don't know about. Sit this down. Oh, what's this behind us? A Chevelle? A Nova? What kind of cars are those? These two. 3. But I mean, maybe not that one, but these two would look like they're the same, probably. No, not quite the same.
Honestly, not 100% sure. I feel like the one here on the left is a Ford.
You think so?
I don't know where they put the stickers on old cars.
Correct us in the comment section. We know we wrong. Just correct us. Yeah. Let us know what this one is too. We not old school heads.
This is like a Buick.
Especially when they in crazy shape like this, we don't be knowing.
Yeah, if it was put together, I could tell you what it was.
Yeah. Whole trunk gone.
See, this has got the same tail lights, like different.
All right, we're moving on. Swerve. We're going that way.
So we got brand new Nissan Altima, premium condition. I don't know if y'all know this. We call this dusty gray. Seats, all that perfect condition. $49.95. Bring cash.
Whew. Beautiful deal, folks. Beautiful deal. Ignore the fire damage. It just don't have gas in it. It'll still run.
That ain't fire damage. That was 3D printed to look like that.
3D printed motor to look like fire damage. It's part of the styling.
Somebody gonna steal your car if it look like it burned.
RX-8, fellas. Hey, that one wouldn't be the bad one if you wanted to swap, maybe. I don't know. It ain't got a door. Looks like this fender may have been cracked. Yeah, it needs some work. I ain't saying that.
Hell yeah. Anybody want to take a rotary? Not many people know how to work on a rotary.
Yeah, not too many people's gonna mess with that. Good old rotary motor. Yeah. Oh, well, y'all know how expensive these things done got. Well, look at that. Right there, a 2-door Civic. Size curve, yeah. I mean, this one ain't even in the worst though. I mean, it ain't great, but it don't look bent up or like crazy crashed. Oh, got a Naruto paint job on the side of it or vinyl or something. I think that's paint.
Oh yeah.
I think that's paint, yeah.
$95.
2-door. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that's the bottom side of the car.
Oh, yeah. Rolled all into one. Oh, buddy. Oh, that is a Nissan.
Yeah, 300.
300 ZX. Should be a Z. Yeah.
That's in bad shape. Oh no, it's not bad.
Oh, look, we got one of them iconic import cars. This back corner panel's crushed out of here. That 300 ZX. All right. Oh boy, did you see got the green?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody held out of that car. Looks like we can go up this way though. Looky what I found.
That's a shame.
That's a shame.
That don't even look rigged.
It does not look that bad at all, at least from right here. Honda Prelude, y'all. Just like, somebody come get this. For real, somebody come get this and build this thing back so it's, you know, glory. I know this ain't the super preferred Prelude model, but come on, man. Yeah, cause this, it's got all the wheels and everything off of it, but dang, man, even the body looks pretty decent. Crazy. The Beatles.
Makes more sense why it's here now.
Oh yeah, no floor.
I was looking like fenders are replaceable, but yeah.
Yeah, I mean technically the floor pan is replaceable too, but okay, this has still got the motor in it.
I think there's a motor out
I mean, yeah. Seen some flip up lights you got. Let me see what this thing is. Oh,
Is that a Mitsubishi?
I believe it is a Mitsubishi. Oh, it's a Toyota. Oh, this is a Celica. Bet you this the Celicas.
Bro, this whole motor's still together.
Yeah, it's them Celicas. I remember these from Gran Turismo and stuff. Two-door car, not bad.
The whole motor's still here.
I mean, it could be locked up or something. You never know. And that's another good project by. Somebody come save some of these cars, man. I can't do it. There's another two-door Civic, newer model. Ooh. Yeah, from the Italian Job movie. Y'all remember these? Ooh, goodness. I like the way the hood's going there. Phone over the front like that. Look mean. That's nice.
Oh. Race car.
Part of a race car. That is a short wheelbase, if that is the wheelbase, unless that's pushed up into something. Yeah. Know what I'm saying? No, it's attached still. Okay. I was saying unless like something detached it and pushed it forward, but no.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Room in the front for the motor to be in the back.
Yeah. And a short wheelbase.
That's cool though.
Let's go see what we can get this piece for. Unfortunately, that's all we found today. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that little bit of a trip, a little bit of somebody goes down a little bit of a memory lane when they see one of these cars out here or something. You never know.